Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest tips and tricks for enhancing your experience with popular apps like WhatsApp. Today we're going to show you how to enable the Taskbar notification badge for WhatsApp on your PC, ensuring you never miss a message. First, let's open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once it's open, you'll see a gear icon located at the bottom left side of the screen. This is where you access the settings for your WhatsApp app. Click on this gear icon to proceed. Now, you'll be presented with several options in the settings menu. Click on Notifications to customize how you receive updates from WhatsApp. This is where you can control various aspects of how notifications appear on your PC. Under the Notifications section, look for the option labeled Show Taskbar Notification Badge. This feature allows you to see a badge on the WhatsApp icon in your taskbar, indicating if you have any unread messages. To enable this, simply choose Always from the available options. This means that even when the app is closed, you'll still see the badge if there are new messages waiting for you. Enabling the taskbar notification badge can be incredibly useful. It provides a quick visual cue about new messages without needing to open the app. This can save you time and help you stay on top of your conversations more efficiently. However, if you find the badge distracting or unnecessary, you can easily switch it off by selecting Never instead. There's also a third option, Only when app is open, which might be more suitable if you prefer a cleaner taskbar when WhatsApp is closed. To ensure that notifications work smoothly, make sure that WhatsApp is allowed to send notifications in your Windows settings. You can check this by going to your Windows settings, then to Notifications and Actions, and verifying that WhatsApp is listed and enabled. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your WhatsApp experience on your PC and stay connected with friends and family more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.